Are you looking to take your real estate videos to the next level and learn 1, how to actually shoot killer videos, 2, where to distribute those videos, and 3, and most importantly, how to monetize those videos and actually get paid for shooting these killer videos? What's up, guys? Welcome to the site of our 2020 March Media Mayor Mastermind here in beautiful La Jolla, San Diego, California. My name is Kyle Whissel.
I'm Bryan Kochi.
We've been working together for over 5 years now. We've created thousands of videos that have had tens of millions of views all over the internet. And what we're gonna do is pack this house with 20 of the brightest, most aspiring minds in the real estate industry and teach everybody everything we've learned over the last 5 years of creating all these videos. You might be brand new to video, you might already have your videographer. Regardless of where you're at in your video journey, we wanna shortcut that learning curve to get you from here to where you want to be and hopefully to levels you never even thought possible over a 2-day time period.
Mine was kind of blown with all of the information that we took in, but it was so beneficial in so many ways.
Both days, we had value.
We're gonna give you checklists. We're gonna go one-on-one with you guys to really dive down to what we've done to make our show successful and exactly how you can do it.
It gave us kind of a step-by-step, an action plan of what we can actually take and bring back home into our business.
Is that it ultimately gave us a plan and checklist that were able to help us succeed as we move forward, or whether if you're 5 videos in or 10 videos in, or you're just planning out the stages of your community spotlight or how you're going to become the media mayor.
We're going back with checklists, we're going back with ideas, we're going back with strategies.
We have a book that you're gonna get when you come to this event. There's literally gonna be checklists for every different type of video that we shoot, whether it be a green screen video, a community video, a property video. You're gonna have a step-by-step checklist that you're gonna be able to follow. You're gonna have email templates of all the emails that we send out to guests that we're having on the show to prep them for their shoots, and also how to repurpose their shoots, which is a really important part of what this event's all about. Because we wanna, 1, make sure you know how to shoot killer videos, but 2, how you're gonna distribute those videos, and 3, how you're gonna leverage those videos to make money, because that's what this thing is all about, right? And what's cool too is this isn't just something for those that are real estate agents, it's for videographers too. So there's gonna be a lot of times where we're gonna break out and your videographer, or if you are the videographer, you're gonna get one-on-one time with Bryan.
And see, one thing that I really wanted to do when we created this event is make it work for both videographers and agents and really bring that cohesion together. A lot of times I'll go to an event and I'll say, Kyle, we need to implement this. And he'll say, I don't know why. Or Kyle will send me a link and say, do this. And I don't know what he wants me to do. This is really a chance for the two of you guys to come together and know not only the why you're doing it, but how exactly to implement.
So it's gonna be a killer event. It's happening this March, La Jolla in San Diego, California. We'd love for you to come out here. And it is in this insane house that we've rented out in La Jolla. This is not in a big hotel ballroom where you go for the day, you learn a little bit, then everybody goes their separate ways. We're having breakfast together, we're having lunch together, we're having dinner together, we're hanging out around the fire pit, watching the sunset together, learning, sharing, masterminding, and all of us are growing together. So we would love to have you out here. Come check out the event, MediaMayorMastermind.com. You can get all the details on there. There's only 20 spots for this. This is not a 500-person event. 20 spots, including videographers. We'd love to have you guys here.
Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you soon.
You got to come and check out what these guys are doing. It's a wealth of information.
Very surprised to see how open and helpful and informative Bryan and Kyle both were.
These guys have gone over everything, answered all my questions. It's just freaking phenomenal.
We're going to go home with distribution ideas, with videography ideas, with story ideas that will put us in front of thousands of people and help us create thousands of dollars in revenue.
My one piece of advice for anybody that is on the fence is to do it, because what you're committing to is being immersed in a room full of other like-minded people who are just going for it. Tony Robbins says proximity is power, and this was the place to be. So I'm walking away with a lot of as Tom Ferry would say, keys to operationalizing a video anchor show.
So I would encourage you to make the investment, to come to the next Media Mayor Mastermind. There's nothing like it, and you certainly will never regret spending the money and taking the time to come here and be here.